Once this community is complete, there will be about 350 homes, making this a very quaint neighborhood. There are plenty of options under $300,000, and I want to show you this beautiful 4-bedroom home right at $300,000. Receive a 5.5% fixed interest rate, $7,500 towards closing costs, and the move-in package for a limited time when you purchase your new home with the builder's lender. The move-in package includes a sprinkler system, tankless water heater, washer, dryer, stainless steel refrigerator, blinds throughout the home, and a garage door opener. Located only 18 miles from the Houston Medical Center, 13 miles from Sugar Land Town Square, and 8 miles from Pearland Town Center, this community is centrally located in the southwest Houston, Texas area. Choose from 6 open concept floor plans ranging from 1,400 to 2,250 square feet. These are smart homes equipped with an IQ panel, Honeywell thermostat, key code front door lock, Deco smart switch, Skybell doorbell, and more. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,778 square foot, 1-story home features a covered back patio, walk-in pantry, and large eat-at kitchen island. Check out the beautiful granite throughout and the stainless steel finishes. So what did you think? If you're interested in learning more about this home and others, go ahead and direct message me or text me at 832-736-4515. I'm Kara McClaney, your Fort Bend County, Texas Realtor, and I look forward to assisting you.